I've made a number of crossover slip stitches in a chain to create this little scalloped edging. This particular pattern is a plain chain 4 followed by a chain 4 crossover slip stitch in 4th chain from hook. Let me show you a crossover slip stitch. I'm going to chain 4, then insert my hook into the 4th chain from the hook and cross over that chain over the working yarn, then continue my slip stitch with a yarn over and pull through everything I've got. This has created a slip stitch that crosses over the initial chain. Let me do that one more time. I've put 4 chains in between my crossover slip stitch. Then I'm going to chain 4, insert my hook into the 4th chain from the hook, cross over the chain over the working yarn, yarn over, and pull through. And I can just continue doing that to create a pretty chain. If you'd like more crochet instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for other ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.